Hello and welcome to Mr. Make Stuff. Today we're going to make some special easy waffles, which are a dessert delicacy here in the UK. They're absolutely beautiful, aren't they?
Yes, they are. And they're already ready-made.
Yes.
So you just have to whack them into the toaster and you're ready to go.
Toaster that is clean, because look at those crumbs on that toaster. I can't believe we had so much crumbs in the toast, but we made some toast just before this. That's why you can see crumbs. So give them about a minute, if that, just to warm them up, to give them a bit of a cozy, crispy outer section. They're slightly smaller than the ones you buy from the shop, like the ones you buy from dessert parlors. But we basically put them on a little plate here, and we're gonna get some one of our 5 a day, because we want to keep this healthy with all that dessert stuff we're going to put on it. So this is a specialist banana, and this was filmed on a special 10,000 frames per second camera, just so I could show you this slow-mo, because I was cutting that so fast the camera could not keep up. So we had to slow-mo this footage down so you could actually see me slicing the bananas into a nice equal opportunities size. So what will happen with that is we're going to use this to put on the dessert, because half of it will be bananas, but someone doesn't like bananas.
Yes, that's me.
So we're going to keep half non-bananaed. So here you can see that nicely being laid out there. I think 6 per piece will do us nicely. And they've got a nice brown, toasty, we'll have to do some crepe. We'll do a crepe. Look, it's you need a crepe. We'll have to put a crepe video next time, and because someone else likes crepe.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, look at this. We've got a nice little whack going on here. We're going to have some nuts on top of this, because it's another one of, it's not one of your 5 a day, but it's good for protein. We've got some cashews and some badam. We're going to smash those up in this little, what do you call this thing?
I think that...
Grinding thing. What you call it? It's
a grinder?
Petals. No, yeah, I forgot the name of it. But yeah, just whack out some of those. Just make them nice and small. Not too dusty, like not powdery. Just enough to give you a bit of a crunch. You can see an Asda receipt in the background there. We didn't buy this from Asda. Why is it an Asda? What? Say what? Chicken nuggets. Okay, so now we're gonna break that up. That's just showing you that. And look at that. Watch this. Look at that smooth shooting. So we're going to whack some of those little crunches on the half side of the banana, and that's going to give us a little bit of a la. Okay, so one side's bananas, the other side is just nuts, and then we're going to, I think we got some other stuff that we put on there. Some
like syrup and what's it called?
Yeah, Nutella. We got treats. Normally you put down ice cream, milk, chocolate, but we just, everything sweet we had, we got out. Maple syrup, Bobby's. Is it Bobby's?
Yeah.
Who's Bobby?
A person.
Oh, Bobby makes it. So now we're gonna, oh, look at that. Oh yes, beautiful.
That's so satisfying.
Normally in the dessert places they put too much on and it gets too sweet. So here we actually put just enough so it wasn't too sweet. So now this is just a sprinkle of this chocolate syrup, and then we're gonna add a bit of maple syrup onto that beautiful thing there. And this is going to be 2 portions. Normally we could just whack all 4 of those easily, but we want to keep it nice and carb rich, so we're going to give them half. So 2 will be non-apple banana, and 2 will be banana and nut. So I think that was everything. We did top it off with something else. Here's a bit of Nutella. It's not Nutella. It's Nutella, but the Aldi Nutella, so it's not like the genuine Nutella. So if you're in lockdown at the moment, this is a good thing to make. Normally we would just go out and buy it because the shop ones are more fancy, but because you can't go outside at the moment, we're making our own, and with limited supplies, of course, you can have a massive queue to get to anywhere. So keep it oh, look at that. That looks amazing.
Delicious.
Oh, this is a nice little cherry in the top. This is a little trick for all those fans out there for desserts and those oh, look at that. We basically get a waffle and it's got a bit of a crisp on it, so we slice it down. Again, we had to use a 10,000 frames per second camera here to catch how quickly I was cutting this and slow-mo it down, just so you could see the actual cutting process. So this is just a few slithers of this waffle. We're gonna whack that on top to garnish our waffles. We have to name these waffles. What's this waffle flavor called?
Nutella,
syrup,
nuts, caramel, flavored waffle.
That's a long name. You don't want to call it Sending You Nuts.
Yeah, that's good.
That's the name for it. We're sending you nuts. So this is a, oh, look at that. It was it nice? Did you like it?
Yeah, it was delicious.
Keep an eye out for our creep videos coming soon. La la la.